Would you like? Would you like some tea? Would you like to play a game? Would you like a cookie? Would you like to sit down? Would you like some water? Would you like to go outside? Would you like a sandwich? Would you like to watch a movie? Would you like some juice? 10 ways to say no. No, thank you. I'm okay, thanks. Not right now. Maybe later. No, I'm good. I don't think so. No, I'm fine. I don't want to. Thanks. No, thanks anyway. I'm not interested. 10 ways to say yes. Yes, please. I'd love to. Sure. That sounds great. Yes, thank you. Of course. I'd like that. Definitely. Sounds good. Yes, why not?